to Thursday Cooking with Kevin. This week, another huge shout out to Catherine's Plate, because this is where I got the recipe for this week. And it is cake mix cookie bars, 4 ingredients. Well, I'm using 5, but she kind of said you can do what you want with the recipe. So what do we need? Wooden spoon, medium bowl, and a 9x13 baking dish. Our ingredients, a yellow cake mix or any flavor. I have a white one. Half a cup butter melted, 2 large eggs room temperature. That is the key she mentioned in her video when she did this recipe. Because if they're cold, it binds the ingredients too much, and I think it makes it for a more denser mix. So you want room temperature so it's a little bit more fluffy, I think is what she did. I'm not quite sure, go check her video out. I'm going to put the link to the recipe, and actually I'll try and maybe put the link to the video to this recipe down below in our description so that you have it. And 1 cup of chocolate chips or other favorites. So I'm going to use chocolate chip, and I'm also going to use butterscotch. So I'm mixing it up. I'm going to preheat that oven to 350 degrees. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to whisk up our eggs. We're going to pour that into the medium bowl. We did that. Okay, now we're going to add our cake mix and then our butter. And right now we do have the oven is preheating to 350. It should be heated up very shortly. And our melted butter. And we are going to mix that in. And there's the oven, all ready to go. And you just basically want to stir this enough that it breaks up all the lumps and everything in the batter. You got a couple lumps here and there, not a really big deal. And it does get a little heavy to stir, so it's not like a normal cake mix. Okay, so there we go. Now we're going to add in our chips. She mentioned about a cup, but I do know she added a little extra, so we're going to, I don't know, that's the butterscotch. Oh, they smell good. Very yummy. Actually, I don't need my glasses on anymore either. And then you just kind of want to fold these in. Just fold them into the mix. That is pretty well it. Now, we're just going to slide slide this up, and we're going to grease our 9x13 baking pan. I still have this this pan baking pan, so I'm just going to use that. It's kind of got a little bit of a buttery flavor. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get this all in here. And I'm going to take my spatula. I'm just going to spray it a little bit with some pan, just so the mix doesn't stick, and we're going to spread it out into the pan. We want to try and get it as even as possible. I know she used a offset baking spatula. Is that what they're called, Kelly?
Yeah, there's one up there.
Yeah, we have one, but I just used the normal spatula because it worked out good. That is it. That quick, that simple. We're gonna throw these in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. I bring them out. I'll show you what they look like. We'll cut them up, and we'll do a taste test. We'll see you shortly. Okay, they're done. I'm gonna go grab them out of the oven. Oh, they smell and look yummy. Oh, look at that nice color. Nice golden brown, a little crispy around the edge. But unfortunately, I have to wait before we cut into them. They have to cool down. So when I'm ready to cut in and taste test, I'll bring you back. We are back. They have cooled down enough for me to cut. Oh, look at that. And that just, oh, slices right through. I don't want a huge piece though. Oh, look at that. With that pan that I used, oh, they just slide right out. Wow. Oh, they smell so good. Okay, here we go. Yummy, look at that. Isn't that yummy, delicious? That tastes delicious. It's funny because Kelly said to me, well, we should make a double batch. Should we take Dorothy some? And I said, listen, I'm not going to eat a lot. You know, I'm just going to have a little bit, but I don't know. Maybe I'm starting to rethink that plan. Anyways, Catherine's plate, thank you for the recipe. These turned out really good and quick, easy. You see how fast that was. So if you're making something for a potluck, this is cheap, fast, and easy. Like you can make 2-3 batches at a very cost-effective. Yeah. So, anyways, yeah, that's Kelly's phone in the background and obviously my daughter's voice. Anyways, that is it for this week. Once again, thanks again, Catherine's Plate. And as I always end it, I don't know what I'm going to make next week, but I'm pretty sure Kelly will tell me. Thanks a lot. See you next week.